This week, I only took a single trade. The reason being, I only saw one setup and I was able to make my weekly goal with it. So I did not need to feel forced to place another trade unless I saw the absolute best and perfect setup. On Thursday, I did see another potential trade opportunity, but I didn't take it because it was slightly out of my stop tolerance of 20 points. Alright, let's get into the recap. Before even thinking about taking a trade, I waited for the higher time frame to take out an area of liquidity before forming a fair value gap. In this case, we took out sell side liquidity on the 15-minute chart and dipped into an hourly fair value gap. You can also see the fair value gap on the 15-minute chart. You can see there's a little bit of consolidation before dipping further into that fair value gap. After taking out that sell side, I waited for displacement higher above a short-term high, which we got. The fair value gap was fairly small, but it was enough. However, this time, instead of the 1-minute chart, I used the 2-minute chart. You can see the displacement with that candle at 834 moving away from that fair value gap. Anyway, I was able to reach my 20.25 take profit. The annotations are on the chart, which sum up the areas I was looking at before taking the trade. Like I mentioned before, I saw a potential trade on Thursday but did not take it. So the only trade that counted for this week was the one on Tuesday. Considering this week was a holiday week, I'm more than happy with this result. On another note, I felt in control of my emotions and did not feel like I had to force any trades. In other words, I didn't impose my will onto the market. As always, let me know if you have any questions. See you next week.